Golf is a sport where players use a club to hit a small ball into a hole on a course using a few tries or strokes as possible. It's played outside on big, grassy courses with hills, sand, water, and even trees that make it more challenging and fun. When was golf invented? Golf has been around for a long time. The modern game of golf began in Scotland in the 1400s. People played by hitting a ball around natural courses with sticks. It became so popular that even kings and queens played. Today, golf is played all over the world. How to play golf. Here's how it works. Players take turns hitting a golf ball toward a hole on the course. Each course has 18 holes, and each hole has a starting point called a tee and an ending point called the green, where the hole is. The goal is to hit the ball into the hole using the fewest strokes possible. Basic rules for golf. Start at the tee. Use a driver, a type of club, to hit the ball far. Choose the right club. There are many types, like irons, wedges, and putters for different parts of the course. Stay in bounds. If your ball goes out of bounds or into water, you take a penalty stroke. Keep score. Each hit counts as a stroke. The player with the lowest score at the end of 18 holes wins. Be quiet and respectful. Golf is a calm, focused game, and players take turns in silence. Fun golf facts. There are golf courses on every continent. Even Antarctica has one. Some golf balls can fly over 300 yards when hit by professional players. The youngest golfer to hit a hole-in-one was only 3 years old. Golf teaches patience, focus, and practice. It's a great way to enjoy the outdoors, get exercise, and spend time with friends or family. Some kids even compete in junior golf tournaments. If you could design your own golf hole, what fun challenges would you add, like a windmill, tunnel, or tiny bridge? Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to golf, head to twinkl.com.